To only allow calls from your contacts when Do Not Disturb is active on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find notification. Tap notification. Tap Do Not Disturb. Under allow during Do Not Disturb section, tap calls and messages. Under also allow section, tap calls and then select contacts only. Tap the package to save your selection. By doing this, your phone will only allow incoming calls from those who are listed on your contact list while the Do Not Disturb mode is on. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.